Hi everyone, my name is Zach, and we are Team Let's Inspire from Collab Cohort 11. Our team is composed of myself, serving as the product manager,
And I'm Paul, the product designer.
And I'm Lisa, the backend developer.
And I'm Linda, the front-end developer.
Let's Inspire seeks to rescue developers stuck in a Hello World tutorial loop. With a vast array of programming education resources available at the tip of your fingers, it is far too easy to be inundated with choice. New languages, new frameworks, clickbait articles, and videos can put developers on a path of jumping from one tutorial to the next. Curated project resources are key to leveling up. To develop deeper skills, a portfolio, or a standout resume, project-based learning can give you the edge. By filtering out the noise, we can reduce the friction of helping developers find a high ROI project. And now our product designer, Paul, is going to walk us through a live demo of our product.
Thanks, Zach. So this is our application, Let's Inspire, and this is our landing page, which details what our product does and who would benefit most from it. Let's go ahead and click this button to get started. For our first question, users will enter their name so that the program knows who is creating this new personal project. Users will then pick the programming language that they're most interested in. We decided to work with JavaScript and Python for now because these two languages seem to be two of the most popular and in-demand languages at the moment. Users will then choose an industry that they are most interested in working in. Then they will decide on how long they want to spend on their personal project. After a brief loading screen, we arrive at the results page. Here we see that based on the language and industry that the user chose, a set of links are generated that will help the user get started on their unique personal project. Additionally, technical resources for each language and popular web frameworks are also provided. If a user is looking for further challenges after their main project, higher complexity tutorials are provided on the right side of the screen. That concludes our live demo, and now I'll pass it back to Zach.
Thanks, Paul. In less than 8 weeks, we built the core features for our product. We've also identified feature roadmap milestones 3, 6, and 9 months out that incorporate key user feedback learned from our user interviews and user testing. That wraps up the technical content of our product, and now the team's going to talk through our key learnings from this cohort. This experience gave me a concrete understanding of not just the role of a PM, but how the practice of managing products is executed in real-life scenarios. Working with small teams, building an agile process, and executing sprints with a real deadline solidified many key learnings that I hope I can continue to build on.
This experience has taught me how to effectively communicate my design ideas to my team members, and also taught me what it's really like to work in an agile environment. Being able to pivot based on what was feasible from a developer standpoint was challenging, but it was also an essential part to creating a functional product. I also learned that using task tracking tools such as Trello is important to ensure that the whole team is on the same page for each weekly sprint.
During this team experience, I have learned that it is important to keep the scope manageable so that we have a reasonable amount of features to implement. Frequent communication is also important, whether in group meetings, one-on-ones, or on Discord. It's also essential to have a clear understanding of the design and what is to be implemented.
This experience taught me to effectively prioritize the features and communicate them to the team. I learned to create user tasks to ensure that the most important features were being developed each week. In addition, I found that our Trello sprint board allowed me to communicate tasks and pinpoint any problems in our product development.
Being here and giving this pitch wouldn't be possible without all the hard work CoLab puts into developing a standout curriculum. So on behalf of our team, I would like to thank all of those who made this possible. We'd also like to give a special shout out to our mentor, Dave, who was instrumental in our success in shipping a real product, coming together as a team, and teaching us lasting skills. Thank you.